Understanding fixed deposits, a safe investment option. Looking for a safe investment option with guaranteed returns? Consider fixed deposits, FDs. FDs are a popular choice for those who want to save for specific goals or earn higher interest rates. Let's explore the key features of FDs and find out if they're the right choice for you. With FDs, you know exactly how much you'll earn as the interest rate is fixed. This makes FDs a safe investment, even during market volatility. FDs offer liquidity, allowing you to withdraw before maturity, although a penalty may apply. You also have the flexibility to choose the term of your FD, ranging from months to years. While the interest earned on FDs is taxable, there are tax benefits available. Under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act, you can deduct interest up to 1.5 Indian rupees lakh. FDs are a reliable investment option to help you reach your financial goals. However, it's important to compare interest rates before opening an FD account. Consider the pros: guaranteed returns, liquidity, flexibility, and tax benefits. But also be aware of the cons: low interest rates, no capital appreciation, and penalties for early withdrawal. If you prioritize safety and guaranteed returns, FDs may be the right choice for you.